What's the meaning of crossbencher? Crossbencher. Crossbencher.
Crossbencher. Crossbencher. A crossbencher is a member of a legislative body, such as a parliament, who does not align with any political party. Instead, they may sit on a bench between the two main opposing parties, known as the crossbenches. Crossbenchers may be independent or affiliated with a minor party. They often play an important role in the parliamentary process by providing a balance of power and potentially holding the swing vote on critical issues. As non-partisans, they are free to vote based on their own conscience or the interests of their constituents, rather than being bound by party lines.